I will begin our presentation by explaining the business background of Jarum Masjid 2 Enterprise. The business is officially registered under the name Jarum Masjid 2 Enterprise with the registration number CA02256448. It is owned by two partners, Sasukan Laki Teo Siah Wang and Ling bin Haya, and operate as a partnership. The business is located at Batu 4, Blok B, Jalan Sabah Rompin, Pekan, Negara Rompin, Pahang, and was established on 1st July 2015. The operating hours are from 8:13 a.m. to 5:13 p.m. with a total capital contribution of 14,000. Overall, the company is involved in diversified trading and service including retail goods, agriculture and livestock supply, hardware, chemical, as well as engineering, maintenance, cleaning, and road and water safety equipment. Next, I will explain the business characteristic of Jarum Masjid 2 Enterprise. The business operates as a partnership and is managed by two partners, Encik Ling bin Yahya and Encik Sasukan Laki Teo Siah Wang. Both partners share the profit and loss of the business, and all business operations are carried out based on mutual agreement. In terms of capital, each partner contribute 20,000, making total capital 40,000 to start the business. Jarum Masjid 2 Enterprise is a legal business registered with Surajaya Syarikat Malaysia or SSM, and it is also governed under the Partnership Act 1956. However, as a partnership, the reality of the business is
next is an asset. An asset is something valuable that a person or a business owns, which can be used to generate income or provide future benefits. An asset that Jarum Masjid to have one of it is vehicles such as lorry and 4x4. Lorry used for an easily accessible area that makes deliveries easier. Meanwhile, 4x4 is used for a narrow area that difficult for them to deliver goods. Other than that, Jarum must also have furniture such as chair, desk, and fan for a company user. This can categorize as non-current asset. Meanwhile, Jarum Masjid also sell an agriculture input such as organic fertilizer, chemical drum, and fertilizer second, and they only make payment by cash, which is the customer buy the goods and make payment only by cash once the goods has been delivered. And this is also can categorize as current asset.
For the first part, which is expenses, expenses refer to the cost incurred by a business in its day-to-day operation. Example of expenses in this business include employee salary, inventory purchases, shop rental, and utilities such as electricity and water. In addition, logistic and transportation costs, including fuel, tools, and delivery charges, are also classified as expenses because they support daily business activity. Next is liability. Liability refers to the amount of money that the business owes to third party. Example of liability include supplier payables, bank loans, machinery loans, and outstanding credit card balance. These items are classified as liability because they represent financial obligation that the business must repay in the future. Lastly, owner equity. Owner equity refers to the amount of money or resources invested by the owner into the business. In this business, owner equity includes company capital of 60,000 Malaysian ringgit, vehicles such as lorry and 4x4 valued at 85,000 Malaysian ringgit, furniture worth 3,000 Malaysian ringgit, as well as cash and bank balance of 5,000 Malaysian ringgit and 12,000 Malaysian ringgit. These items represent the owner contribution and ownership interest in the business.
The last one is revenue. Revenue meaning total amount of money a company earns from its normal business activity. As a proof, Jarum Masjid can earn 50,000 from sales within 1 month. The profits will be divided into two parts according to the capital of contributions by the two owners. The main income to them earn that money by selling agricultural input such as organic fertilizer and chemical drums according to the customer's order. Not only that, Jarum Masjid also offering service to repair and maintaining the farming tools machinery.
Okay, this slide shows the credit process of business for Jaro Emas G2 Enterprise. First, every transaction happens such as customer purchase, service charge or supplier payment. Then, the shop keep a source document like invoice, receipt and job sheet as a proof. After that, the transactions are recorded in the journal and then passed into the ledger to organize account like sales, service, revenue, expenses, and payable. Next, the accounts are summarized in the trial balance to check accuracy. If there are any adjustment like unpaid expenses or stock-related update, they are recorded before the shop prepare the financial statement. For Jaro Emas G2 Enterprise, every transaction starts with proof and evidence. For example, when the shop buy hardware item for supplier, pay bill or receive customer payment, there will be a document to support it. For the service side, when technicians do installation or repair job, the shop keep job details and record the working hours so the service cost can be tracked. After collecting all these records, the shop use a manual system like Excel and basic book to update stock and record daily income and expenses. This helps the business stay organized and make it easy to prepare the document at the end of the month.
Next, we have the general ledger. The general ledger is where all financial data are recorded and categorized into asset, liability, revenue, and expense. It helps the business keep track of all financial transactions in an organized way. Next is the trial balance. The trial balance is prepared to summarize all ledger balance and to ensure that the total debit is equal to the total credit. This step is important to check the accuracy of the records. Lastly, we have adjustment and financial statement. Adjustments are made when they are unrecorded or incomplete transaction. After that, financial statements such as the income statement are prepared to assess the business profit and overall financial position.
Okay, I'm going to explain the strength and weakness of the record system used in this shop. First, the strength. The shop use a cash book and petty cash book. So cash and bank transactions are recorded which help control daily money movement. Next, they use a separate journal for service and purchases. So it's easy to track service income and credit purchase each month. Finally, job sheet and invoice are filled daily with date and job numbers so the shop can track each customer job, reduce misplacement and support better customer follow-up. However, there are also weaknesses. The shop combine all service income into one service revenue ledger, so management cannot clearly analyze which service earn more, like repair, installation or maintenance. Second, spare part and material are recorded as suppliers expenses directly without inventory record, so it becomes difficult to detect loss, thief or overusage, especially for fast-moving parts like screw, fitting and tool. Lastly, technician wage are recorded as one total amount, so the shop cannot measure labor cost per job or compare technician performance. That's all for me. Thank you.
In conclusion, through this project, we gain a better understanding of how a financial business operates, especially in the maintenance service and hardware industry. We also learn how financial transactions are recorded and how proper accounting helps in preparing accurate financial reports. By applying financial characteristics in a real business context, we can see the importance to clear profit sharing and cost control. Overall, proper financial accounting and reporting are essential to support effective decision making and to ensure the sustainability of the business.